My role at Salford is I am a territory manager for the Salford group. We cover everything from Minnesota all the way out to the Pacific Ocean. We started with the guys a year ago and just trying to find something for them to get through the field efficient and turn as much dirt as what they were looking for. And we spoke with Chet at a farm show saying he was interested in our 5200 series that we make. He was looking for something that was a little bit more aggressive to use on his corn stalks. And so we talked about what would work out for him on his farm, and we settled on the 5200.
We first looked into the Enforcer for field conditions from 2019. We had a very wet 2019. Had a lot of issues the following spring with rat mounds in our soybean stubble. So the goal with the Enforcer was to get rid of that. Going from our ripper to Salford 5200, I would say the main thing we were sick of the rippers was fixing on them all the time. There was always a broken shear bolt from a rock or a leveler that was broken off. After demoing this over many acres, we never bent nothing, never broke nothing. Maintenance was very low. Due to its ability to cover 100% of the ground that it passes over, unlike some of the shank tillage like a chisel plow or a ripper, our soybean stubble fields looked almost like sugar beet fields when we were done, and created a very, very nice seed bed the following spring. As far as the quality of the machine, it's built like a tank. It's super heavy, which is awesome. It handles our rocks great. We never bent nothing, never broke anything. We were very satisfied with the quality. With this addition to our fleet, what I hope to achieve is more acres per hour, hopefully less fuel, and never have to worry about changing over from corn to soybeans in season, have to worry about hired guys. I can just tell them to go to the next field and change the depth, and away we go.
Being able to use this machine a year in and year out compared to a lot of other implements, you know, it's 5 ranks long, so if you're out there and it's wet, this thing is going to work. When it's dry, it'll go on the ground and help penetrate. So it's not something that you have to leave at the end of the field when the conditions aren't right.
I would say if you have the opportunity to go to a demo days, or there's one in your area, demo one, any of their products. It's how are you supposed to know if you like it without going and checking one out?